Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today it's cards in the mail to me, but it's not just cards, it's all sorts of stuff. I've got a big box, a huge box of stuff here to my right hand side. I'm going to show you to you all. It's a mixture of stuff that I've received in the post but also received in person. So I'm going to start with a couple of things that I got on the incentive trip. Now, the lovely Robin Carden, my pink stamper, she isn't just a paper crafter, she is a seamstress as well, and she makes these beautiful pouches and things, and so she made me this one, but it's all reversible inside with the little extra pockets and things. Stitching pink, really lovely. So that was so sweet. It was lovely to spend time with her as well. And there were 14 of us went on a catamaran tour that I'd organised. Robin was one of them, but also so was Sophie from my team, and she'd got all 14 of us these pink caps and had them marked up with their logos, so I thought they were really cute. Chris didn't want a pink one quite so much though, so my mum's now got it, but mum does know Sophie, so she's very happy. There is something else from the trip as well, but I can't find it right now. I'll come to it shortly. Then I've got this card here. This was cashing in some vouchers from Lisa in my team, so it's lovely. I do love butterflies, they're so pretty, and she's coloured each part individually. And this one also vouchers from Karen, but yeah, I love it. I love Magnolia Lane, so gorgeous. And then in here I have got, and it got a little bit squished in the post, unfortunately, I've got these three amazing goodies. Now this, this folds over, and where I've got, if I take this out, it folds over like that, and obviously all beribboned up, but it did get a little bit squashed in the post. And this is from Maureen, who I think needs to be a demonstrator, and you will think so too when I show you this. Beautiful card, and in here is some lovely, lovely hand cream, which I probably ought to have put on before I started filming. Oh, let's just mute that. And then here, look, Samantha's journal, it says, so there's all sorts of stuff. So this is our paper. And she's made me a stunning journal inside. How gorgeous is this, with where I can put tabs on the notebooks that are inside. In there, there's post-it notes there. She's put a pen in there, all these lovely clips. And then look at this. I can slide things in there. A notebook, and it's all laminated, and you'll recognise this paper. It's Nature's Poem, which retired recently. All the way through, and then another little pocket at the back there as well. Pocket in here as well. Just gorgeous, but all handmade. And yes, and I did say to her, you need to be a demonstrator. And she laughed, and I went, no, I'm serious. So I'm hoping she will become a demonstrator, but it's just gorgeous. And I know you're all going to ask me if she's got a tutorial. I don't believe she has. So gorgeous. So that was a real surprise to get that lot in the post. Oh, voicemail, that's good. Always good if somebody rings me and then leaves me a voicemail. Okay. Oh, I had this from Sarah Douglas, who's the CEO of Stampin' Up. So I hit my 900,000 career to date sales right at the beginning of June, and then this came through a few weeks ago, which was really lovely. And Sarah was also on our catamaran trip as well with her husband. So that's lovely. I love that. Very lovely. I've got a couple of bits here. So I met up with some friends recently, and we all had the same idea. We all exchanged goodies and gifts, and if I get them all out, this one's just got a little bit squashed on my way home. So, ooh, and the butterfly popped off. Butterfly's meant to go on there. So this little bag had treats in it, and then this one, the milk carton, had treats in it, and this box did as well. Then these two cards. So these are from Halsey Lou, who is slimandstylish.com, Sally Shaw, who's sallystampers.com, and Kay Meller, who is papercraftskies.com, I think so. So all these treats and goodies, and it was lovely. It was lovely spending time with them. It really was. So yeah, we all hooked up. There was the three of us, and then some of the other girls who came out to Orlando last year, and the four of us were all in the same room along with Ellie, and so not in the same room, the same hotel, and then our French team as well. And yeah, we all got on very well. And then by pure fluke, we'd all ended up in the same hotel in April. So that was all good fun. Okay, more that I was given on the incentive trip. So Wendy Cranford, lovingstamping.com. The day we went on the incentive trip, her video tutorial was a case of one of my projects. So I did reply to it and it made me giggle. And then she'd already been travelling for a few days before and she'd brought it for me. The project she'd made and filled it with sweeties. So that was really sweet. So again, they do, unfortunately, projects and gifts and goodies do sometimes get a bit bashed when you're travelling on an aeroplane and you've got suitcases and stuff. But gorgeous. And then this is from Jenny Powley, who is also, she's a German demonstrator, and she was on our catamaran trip as well. So this is a company, and I don't remember what the name of it is. Joe and Judy, that's it. And she's made me a card and obviously made the beautiful box. And in here is a drawstring. I don't know that that's the right name for it. I can't get my fingernails in. It's a bracelet that's a sort of a pull system. I can't do it now. There we go. And you lengthen it and shorten it to fit your wrist, and it's got the tiniest little heart, and it's just gorgeous, and it doesn't get in the way because it's so tiny. But that was a really lovely, nice little surprise from her, beautifully packaged, just gorgeous. But Jenny does amazing stuff anyway. Okay, what else have I got? Oh, this one, there's something else in here from, look at this, from Jenny Grimble. She makes me all sorts of bits and pieces, and she always makes things for the boys. But look at the cats, aren't they too cute? There are goodies. I think there's Chris's treat in there. Yummy chocolates, always good to have chocolates. And yes, so Jenny always puts something in the post, or rather when she puts something in the post, she always includes the boys, but I'm not sure where their gifts are. I think they might have got caught under something. Right, what else? Oh, here it is. So there were a bunch of these for the children as well. So this is Chris's. They all had their own initials on. And we pop that open. There we go. And there's more chocolates inside. Yum. How lovely. She spoils us. Right, I've got a bunch more cards here and then I've got some more projects. So I think these are cashing in vouchers. Look at that. I love that. Oh, I did cows yesterday. Oh, I was designing. You're not going to see them for ages, but I was working with the cows. I miss this set. Oh, I want to say it was called Kinda Eclectic. Rainbow of flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they? Oh, look, I've just seen that that's got glitter on there. Can you see that? On the butterfly and those. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Let me get the other cards out before I come to this boxed project. Okay, what have I got here? Look, oh, look. Oh, they're not from the same person, are they? Oh, no, that's Jenny, who'd made me this one. So who's this one? Kayla. Bravo. Oh, I've got another one here from the incentive trip. So this is Jessie Holton, who was on her first trip. She's an Australian demonstrator, and her blog is jessieholton.com. And she'd taken the Pavilion stamp set and she'd made it quite Grecian, which I thought was very clever. This is part of the Hugs from Shelley kit, if you remember that. That's from there. Oh, look at that. It's a rainbow unicorn. So sweet. Love it. And then a couple more there. Painted Seasons, I think it was called. And Pretty Kitty. Look, there's all retired stuff. It's so sad to say goodbye to retiring things. And then finally, over here, and this is from Jen Hogarth, and she's taken one of my twist and close projects and she's adapted it and fitted inside those. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm so lucky. But when they fit inside there and it pops closed, how gorgeous is that? And I'm sure there was a card to go with that. I might have shown it in amongst this lot. But yeah, so I've done very well this past month. I've been totally spoilt. I'm not going to tell you what was inside all of these, but it was lovely. and it might have possibly have been consumed, should I say drunk, in there. There's sweeties in here, I've got hand cream, I've got bracelets, I've got chocolates, I've got all these incredible cards as inspiration, and yeah, amazing things. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.